Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through the top 10 AI chatbots for iOS and Android in 2025. The first AI bot we're going to talk about is Bard, B-A-R-D, Bard. Now what are the features of Bard? It's a powerful language model. It generates creative text formats. It helps translate languages. It can write different kinds of creative content. What are the advantages? It is highly versatile. It is user-friendly. It has a user-friendly interface and it is excellent for creative tasks. What are the problems or cons? It can sometimes produce inaccurate or nonsensical responses. If you can deal with that, please quickly go for the Bard chat box. Next on our list is ChatGPT. This is very popular. Now, what are the features of ChatGPT? It's an advanced conversational AI that generates human-like text, answers your question in an informative way, and creates different kinds of creative content. What are the pros or the advantages of ChatGPT? 1. It is highly accurate and informative. 2. It is excellent for research and creative writing. What are the cons? It can be expensive for advanced features. The normal features are good, but once you want advanced features, you have to pay for it. So if you can deal with that, go ahead and get ChatGPT. And the third one we have on our list is Bing. Now Bing is powered by a large language model, so it can provide comprehensive search results. It offers personalized recommendations and it can integrate with other Microsoft products. What are the advantages? It is excellent for research and finding information. It's also great when you want to integrate with other Microsoft services. Now, what are the cons? Cons are it can sometimes be biased in its responses. So if you can deal with this, please go for the Bing AI. The next one we have is Google Assistant. This is another popular one. Now, Google Assistant features a voice-activated digital assistant. It controls smart home devices and can set reminders and alarms, answers questions, and plays music. What are the advantages of Google Assistant? It's highly integrated with Android devices, and it is excellent for controlling smart home devices. Now, what are the cons? It can sometimes misunderstand commands. It can sometimes misunderstand the commands you give it. So, if you can deal with this con, then please go ahead and get the Google Assistant AI chatbox. The next one we have is Siri. This is another popular one, especially for Apple devices. Now, Siri is a voice-activated digital assistant that, like I said earlier, controls Apple devices. It can help set reminder and alarm, answer questions, and play music. So just as the Google Assistant is for Android devices, Siri is for Apple devices. They work in similar ways. Let's look at the pros of Siri. It highly integrates with Apple devices and it is excellent for controlling Apple devices too. Then what are the cons? It can sometimes be less accurate than other assistants. So you see, it can be less accurate. But as long as you're ready to cross-check, you're good to go. So if you can deal with this con and using an Apple device, quickly go for the Siri chatbox. Next we have Alexa, another popular one. Alexa is a voice-activated digital assistant that helps control smart home devices, sets reminder and alarms, answers questions, and plays music. Now, what are the pros of Alexa? It has a large selection of skills and integrations. It is excellent for controlling smart home devices. Let's look at the cons. It can sometimes be less accurate than other assistants, so it seems to have some problem as Siri. So if you can deal with this accuracy problem, a little bit of it, then go ahead and go for the Alexa chatbox. Next, we have what is called Replica. Now, Replica is an AI-powered chatbox that stimulates a conversation with a friend. So it helps provide emotional support and offer advice. It's like having a friend. That's great. Let's look at the pros. It is excellent for emotional support and companionship. It's really, really nice because in this world now, we really do need companionship and emotional support. So let's look at the cons. Okay, it can sometimes provide inaccurate or misleading information, just like a real friend. So I don't see what's wrong there. Alright, so if you really want to have an emotional support friend or a companion, go for the replica chat box. Next we have Woobot. Now Woobot is an AI-powered chatbot that provides mental health support, offers coping strategies, and help you track your mood. Sounds great, because we really do need this in the world today. We have a lot of mental health issues, so this is a chatbot that helps to provide mental health support, gives you coping strategies, and helps track your mood. I don't see anything wrong with this. Let's look at the pros. It is excellent for mental health care and support, like we said. Great. Now, what are the cons? It's not a substitute for professional mental health care. We know that, so it's not actually a con. You don't expect a chatbot to totally substitute a professional mental health care, but it can do great things too. So, for that reason, I think you should go for the Woobot if you really need mental health support. If you want someone to offer you coping strategies and help track your mood, that someone can be a chat box in the form of Woobot. Next on our list we have is Mitsuko. This sounds Japanese. I like it. Mitsuko. Now Mitsuko is an AI-powered chatbot that stimulates a conversation with a human. It provides entertainment and amusement, so it's like a fun friend. We always have that friend among the one that always lightens up the mood, that makes things go smooth and fun. The one you always want to hang around with, that brightens up your day. Well, Mitsuko can do that for you. Now, it is a fun and engaging chatbot for casual conversations. So you remember how you can have a deep conversation with that friend? The same thing with this. So that's very good. Now, what are the cons? It is not designed for serious or informative conversation. Like I said, just like the fun friend. You can have deep soul-searching conversation with that kind of friend. But if you're down and you need a lifting up, pick me up, simply go for Mitsuko. It will give you that fun and engaging casual conversation that you need. Sometimes it's not every time we need to be serious in the world. So I suggest you go for Mitsuko. Next, we have the last on the list is Cookie. Sounds like cookie, Anyway, look at the features of Cookie. Cookie is an AI-powered chatbot that stimulates a conversation with a human, provides entertainment and amusement. So it's another friend you can have. That's great. Let's look at what it can do. It's fun and engaging chatbot for casual conversation. So Cookie is like Mitsuko. All the difference is, what's the difference then? Let's find out. Cons, it's not designed for serious or informative conversation. So it's like having more than one fun friend. Yes, we do have that. Even in real life, we can have a very fun friend and a less funny fun friend, or they can both be very funny and your life will be great because you don't have to worry. Once you hang out with them, it's fun all the way. So you can have both of them. You can have Mitsuko, you can have Cookie. So these are the 10 chatbots we're going to be looking at today. Note, the best chatbot for you, because you'll be wondering, how do I decide the best one for me? It all depends on your specific needs and preferences. So always consider your goals, your interests, and desired features when choosing a chatbot. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. You can also give us a comment in the comment section. Let us know which chatbot you went with. Thanks for watching.